Yeah, I'm not doing this again. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Jaisha and we are about to do a braid out on stretched hair. Why stretched hair and not wet hair? I don't know, it just gives a different look. As you can see, my hair is already stretched out. I blow dried it with my Dyson blow dryer and I'm using the same product combination from my twist out last week because the twist out came out so good. I loved my results, so I'm going to use the same products, even though I don't know if it'll come out the same because my hair is stretched and it was wet last time, but whatever. I already put in my leave-in before I blow dried my hair, and so now I'm just gonna use Mayel Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle, and then the Dew Mousse Def Texture Foam to seal. I'm gonna apply the Twisting Souffle to this full quadrant, and then I'm going to put, or should I apply it to each twist? No, I'll apply it to each twist individually. So let me separate this. I said twist, I meant braid. I am not trying to do like really small braids. I don't have time, bro. Forgot my brush. Really not using a lot. Which is why I was gonna apply it, make sure I get these ends, which is why I was gonna apply it to the whole quadrant, because I am not good when it comes to just taking a little bit of product. I don't know what my problem is. So I wanted to do this on stretched hair because it's just a different look. It's more of a stretched, elongated look in the final result, and then it's also like a bigger hair look. I don't know how to explain it. That's just what I see. I'm feeling like, obviously because my hair is not wet, it's going to dry quicker, but I don't know if that necessarily like makes it a quicker style because I still had to blow dry my hair first, and so it kind of cancels each other out time wise. And then I'm gonna be twisting when I get to the end, which is gonna give me a little curl on my ends when I take these out. I have no idea the last time I even did a braid out. Like, it's been so long. I normally do it on wet hair, like the same way you would see me do a twist out is usually what I do for my braid outs, but I just do not do them often. I don't even do twist outs like that. You guys know, it's really just wash and goes for me. But mostly because they take longer to do than a twist out, because a braid is 3 strands. It's just a lot of crisscrossing, as you can see, and it just takes longer to do a braid than to just wrap 2 hairs, than to just wrap 2 strands with the twist. It's just much easier, and twists are quicker to take down. Like, it takes, for a braid out, it takes longer to put it in and longer to take it out. Ain't nobody got time for that. I just don't want to have to worry about my hair after I do it. Like, call me lazy, call me impatient. I'm definitely impatient, but I really just don't carve out time in my morning routine. Like, I just don't want to have to spend a whole bunch of time doing my hair when I'm getting ready. See what I mean? Braids are so much work with the 3 sections and the getting it even and wrapping it around and pulling it to the other side, and your arms hurt. Like, goodness gracious. Why did I do this to myself on this lovely day? Like, why did I decide to torture myself with braids? And I have to tell you guys, from doing that last twist out, I came to the realization on like day 3 that I am the problem. I'm the problem. I'm at 100%. I am the problem, because not just that I'm always telling you, but normally my twist outs, I'm like, oh, they don't last past 2 days. I can only get 2 days out of my twist outs, yada yada yada. Last week, for like when I did my twist out, I wore it until day 3. Now here's the thing. Usually on day 3, my hair is not the worst, but it's not the best either. Like, you could see it's more lived in, it has some frizz to it, it doesn't look as great as day 1 or day 2. So once I see that frizz, I'm like, nope, that's it. But every once in a while, depending on how it looks and what I'm doing, I'll just either throw on a headband or put some pins and some baby hairs and make it work, because I'm like, oh, whatever, just going about my day, because I'm not really doing much or going anywhere special. So I just let it rock. And that usually tends to be the day that I get the most compliments on my hair. Like, that is so weird to me that, and this happens sometimes when I have a wash and go as well. It's usually like the end of, like, I'm close to wash day, I'm thinking like, whatever, my hair just looks how it looks, I'm not thinking it's anything special. And that usually ends up being when I get the most compliments on my hair, like on a day 6 or 7 wash and go, or like day 3, day 4 twist out. I'm like, why is it when I think my hair looks crazy or like it just looks like whatever, most people think it looks good? I don't know. So yeah, that's when I had to really ask myself, am I the drama? I'm definitely the drama, because it really does not look that bad. I'm just in my head being a perfectionist about my hair and not wanting it to be frizzy and wanting it to look perfect, and it actually looks fine. Because in my head, okay, for a wash and go, yeah, it gets better each day as the days go by until it doesn't anymore, and you just need to rewash your hair. But with a twist out, I feel like day 1 is the best day, and then like every day after that it just goes downhill from there. But apparently not. Last week, day 3, I got a few compliments on my hair, and I was just like, wow, I thought my hair looked a frizzy, crazy mess. But by day 4 of that twist out, nah, it was definitely over. It was definitely a mess. I could not jazz it up or fix it anymore or do anything new to it. I would have had to retwist my hair. So it was a ponytail or a bun. It was a bun for day 4 for sure. I have 17 braids in total, which is much less than I would actually have. Not much less, but that's less than I would do for a twist. I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer for a little bit. Shouldn't take long for this to dry because my hair was already stretched and blow dried. Overnight, I don't think I'm gonna do overnight, but I'll probably let it sit for a few hours to settle, and then we'll take it down. Time for the takedown. I sat under my hooded dryer for maybe 25 minutes. I knew I didn't need long because my hair was already dry, so that's a benefit when you're not starting on wet hair. I really just needed the product to set and for, you know, the braids to kind of set. And then I also just left them in for a few hours while I was just doing my thing throughout the day. And we're gonna see. This is the annoying thing about taking out braids. Like with twists, you can just pull them apart or just like take it from the top and separate it. Like you have to unbraid the whole braid. So annoying. And I don't even know if this gives as much definition as a twist out, but we're gonna find out. Already, it feels very fluffy. Like I don't feel any type of hold on these pieces, and you can see, look at that, that's fluffy. This is not gonna be what I wanted. Final results. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not doing this again. Let me see. Side part mommy. Oh, okay. Okay. What do y'all think? Because I'm really torn right now. It's cute. My thing is always, you guys know, what is it gonna look like tomorrow? Why am I already on tomorrow and we're not done with today? It looks good right now. I just puffiness that I have. I know this is not going to be a long-lasting style. The definition is there, but it's not like, you know. At least now I know the difference between a braid out, I keep wanting to say a twist out. I now know the difference between a braid out on stretched hair and a braid out on wet hair. And I don't do braid outs to begin with, but if I am gonna do a braid out again, I'm definitely sticking to wet hair. Not that the dry results are bad. I don't know, I like how soft my hair is because my hair is usually not soft at all. So I actually do kind of like that feeling, but I don't know, and I like the look. I like it being a little bit longer, a little bit bigger. It's different, it's cute. I don't know, maybe I just need to get used to it. I feel like up here is kind of tight and then it just gets real loose down here. And then we have this side. What do we think? Honestly, overall, I like it. It's cool, it's doable. I just wouldn't do it again. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my results down in the comment section. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more from me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!